well. It's actually moving quite well, surprisingly. That's cool. It's very gentle.
It's like relief.
Hmm. Yeah, that's loosening up quite easily, which is good. Yeah, the muscles are not too bad. I think probably you've been rolling them out so much as well. Okay, turn the head in this side.
And my head facing that way.
Oh, this one? Yeah. Oh, yeah. This one. Yeah. And then turn the other side. Oh, this one's a little bit more gentle. Okay, and then looking down again. Yeah.
Like beyond repair.
I wouldn't say so. And we're gonna do 3, 2, 1. Okay, get down.
Radiating all the way to my shoulder
Do
blade.
down here. You can take a few more.
Yeah. It's like relief.
These ones, it's totally fine to push through. Back to the middle. Send the mouth. Ankles. It's also stiff as well. We bring the trip to this side. Alright, and then the other one. Go. And there we go. Use the hands this one, just some light wiggle around. Open again. Cool. That's way better. If I don't touch this one, do you feel any symptom, Andra?
No.
Good.
The toe still was a bit stiff from like a long time ago,
Hmm.
but the foot's okay.
So the patella kneecap is also not working properly. This one's a bit better than last time. Check both together. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll work on that one first. main one sacrum, which is the first one we did behind the pelvis there. I can also feel some in this joint here and behind there as well.
These muscles on here are alright because when I roll on this side,
You feel it a lot here.
yeah.
You probably
Like
roll it out.
maybe-
You probably rolled most of it out already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's quite balanced there. You did a good job.
Oh, that's good.
Sorry, but that's not the
Self-care.
Yeah, that's a good thing about muscles is they. You're gonna taekwondo kick me, yeah? I'm gonna stay away. How many types of kicks you know now?
Oh my goodness. Straight leg, back kick,
You got names for it too.
back kick, side kick, present kick.
That's 6 already.
Out to in,
Out in as well.
tomatoes, spinning kicks. There's just so many. I don't even know them all yet.
Which is your favorite one so far?
Jumping front kick.
Jumping front kick. Okay, I can imagine what it looks like. The one.
Feels like I'm flying.
It was easy, right?
That wasn't too bad.
I'm gonna focus more on the. Let's do this toe first.
Can you feel it? Is it
I can, yeah. It's like a medium-sized one, but I can definitely feel it here.
Yeah, it's slight. Just
Slightly, yeah. Yeah, so it doesn't need too strong of the adjustment, but I do need to go quite deep into it there. Cool. That's okay, right?
Yeah.
Just usually hold it there for all. Good. That's very good. Cool. Do this slightly.
I'm not in any pain.
Feel the movement coming back. Surprisingly, it hasn't got to the tendon, which is good. Back. When's your next lesson again?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. What day is it today? Thursday.
No, because I normally I thought booking it beforehand would be better. Booking it after than.
Especially if you need to take a bit of time off.
Yeah.
The strain, just let it settle down. That's right. When it's not too, let's go up to the sky. Good. Let's go a little bit further. Good. And then closer to the ears. Oh, good. Swing kick. What was it again? I can't remember now.
Jumping fly.
Close. Okay, lean back.
On you?
Yes, yeah. And this one here, go nice and soft as well onto my head. Yeah, that's good. Do a very, very light one. And then another one in this angle. That's very good. And then relax. And let's do the one armed one again.
Do you want to hear something funny?
Oh, tell me.
So I was asleep last night and I had like the position, so I had my hand up in my face and as I was falling asleep, I was doing my forms in my head
What do you mean? Oh, right. No way, huh?
and I punched myself in the face. Pretty much.
Both thumbs I feel. This one is less than last time, but still needs some more work as well. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's lean back slightly. It's a bit more stubborn than do it with the thumbs again.
I can feel that. I know that's from the mouse
Yeah,
doing that.
Yeah, that's right.